Throughout automotive history, some cars have earned a reputation for being notoriously dangerous. The 1960 Chevrolet Corvair, with its rear-engine design, became infamous for its tendency to oversteer and roll over. The Ford Pinto's poorly placed fuel tank made it a potential fireball in rear-end collisions. The Yugo GV, while not inherently dangerous, was so poorly made that it often left drivers stranded in hazardous situations. Even high-end vehicles aren't immune, as evidenced by the Ferrari 458 Italia's tendency to catch fire due to adhesive issues. The DeLorean DMC-12, while iconic, was underpowered and poorly constructed, making it a hazard on the road. The Pontiac Fiero's engine fires became so commonplace that the model was eventually discontinued. The three-wheeled Reliant Robin became infamous for its tendency to tip over during sharp turns, making it a rolling hazard.